A cook is only as good as their knife. It's the critical tool that can make or break your efficiency and proficiency in the kitchen. For beginner and expert cooks alike, a knife set is a great starting block. In a knife set, you'll get several knives to cover your basic cooking needs, and you can supplement with more specialized knives depending on what you're most likely to whip up in the kitchen. Here, recipe developers, food bloggers, and professional chefs share their top tips for choosing, buying, and caring for a knife set, as well as the sets they use all the time. With their tips and tricks, you'll be able to find the perfect knife set for your kitchen.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best kitchen knife set. So let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart C77SS-15PK. If you are looking for a good pocket-friendly knife set containing 15 pieces, then you should immediately go for the Cuisinart 15-piece stainless steel hollow handle block set. The knife set allows you to cut, slice, dice, or chop all types of vegetables, fruit, and meat with its stainless steel knives. In addition to the 6 essential knives, the Cuisinart knife set contains 6 steak knives. These knives are perfect for facilitating a large household. The regular knives include paring serrated, santoku, slicing, and chef's knife. Unlike the rest of the best knife sets discussed above, the Cuisinart knives handle is made with stainless steel. It's a slight disadvantage of these knives because they could get slippery at times. Other than that, the knives are slim and relatively light in weight. Number 4. Shun Classic 6-piece slim knife block set. If you like to cook Japanese cuisine every other day, then the Shun Classic 6-piece slim knife block set is an apt choice for you. You can fulfill your Japanese culinary requirements with the 7 inches Santoku knife included in the knife set in addition to the paring and chef's knives. The Shun knife set is crafted with a state-of-the-art VG Max cutting core with 34 layers on each side of the blade. Additionally, the knife blade comes with a stainless Damascus cladding for enhanced protection against rust or stain. The knife set is famous for its hand-sharpened Japanese double-bevel knife blade. The knife set's downside is that it contains only 3 types of knives. However, the knife set is one of the best knife sets due to its meticulous crafting of the blades with bead blasting to create layered steel patterns. The knife set comes with a lifetime warranty to ensure a safe one-time investment. Number 3. Wusthof Classic 7-piece slim knife block set. If you want to invest your money in buying a high-end knife set, then you can go for the Wusthof Classic 7-piece knife block set. The knife set is a perfect combination of modern style and culinary technology. Germany-based Wusthof is one of the best kitchen knife brands renowned for its durable and diverse culinary products. The Wusthof Precision Edge Technology (PE-Tech) is a prominent feature of this knife set, guaranteeing a 20% sharper blade. Not only that, the company takes pride in the double blade edge retention of the knives. The knife set comes with a paring, a utility, a cook's, and a serrated bread knife. Other included pieces are honing steel, pull-apart shears, and a 15-slot storage block. Like the rest of the best kitchen knife sets, it comes with a triple riveted, fully tanged handle to ensure comfort and balance. Number 2. Calphalon Classic Self-Sharpening 15PC Cutlery Knife Block Set. The Calphalon Classic Self-Sharpening 15PC Cutlery Knife Block Set is the perfect choice for you with its self-sharpening feature and versatile 15 pieces knife set. It includes paring, utility, serrated, santoku, chef, and steak knives. The knife set also comes with kitchen shears. However, it doesn't contain any bread knife unlike the Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-piece forged knife block set. The built-in ceramic sharpeners in the knife blocks allow this Calphalon knife set to outshine the rest of the best kitchen knife set in America's test kitchen. The knife blade quality is similar to the Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-piece forged knife block set with high carbon, no stain forged steel material. All the knives are labeled at the back of the handle to identify the wooden blocks knives quickly. This knife set comes with a full lifetime warranty by Calphalon, ensuring you a safe investment. Number 1. Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-piece forged knife block set. This incredible Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-piece forged knife block set with tempered glass block allows you to identify the blades of 5 knives through the glass block. There is a little to no difference in the handle size of the knives. Subsequently, we waste our time trying to take out the knife stand's desired knife. The triple rivet construction of the handles allows you to hold them for hours without feeling any pain or discomfort. The tang blade is made with high-carbon German steel to make it resistant to rust, stain, or corrosion. The Mercer Genesis knives are top-notch sharp, requiring lesser honing than the rest of the competitive knife blades. The bolster, joining the blade with a handle, is short in width. The logic behind the shortened bolster is to ensure full-length sharpening and cleaning. That was our list of the top 5 best kitchen knife set just for you.